Thank you very much. I think at the outset I will really congratulate this asking the group to organize such a splendid program. I really congratulate you also. It's a great effort. At the same time, I consider myself fortunate enough to be in front of all of you and representing SBI Mutual Fund. And just to share with you, SBI Mutual Fund is the only mutual fund who has completed the 25 successful years, and we are in the silver jubilee year. We started our journey as SBI Mutual Fund, we grew as SBI Mutual Fund, and today also we are SBI Mutual Fund. We are the only fund also. The other than, okay. So, friends, I've been given a very good topic of the positioning retail and corporate, and just to share with you, I had the opportunity to be part of the meetings which happened with Government of India, 2 meetings which they called of the CEOs. I will just I'll keep it in for 10 minutes only, sir, not worry about that. For 3 minutes I will share with you what actually happened in the meetings. 3 minutes I will talk about the topics and then question answer complete. I will keep it for 10 minutes for sure. Friends, before coming to the topic, I just want to share with you when I had the opportunity to be in these meetings and more than the letters which have come in the papers, the spirit and body language of the Government of India is very clear that they want this industry to grow by leaps and bounds, and that's a good news for all of you. And that's it. We had a detailed discussion on various things, products we had. In fact, I will say that in some of the things not happening immediately, we as an industry have missed the opportunity a bit, but in long term this will happen. The things coming very clear from government's point of view is that they will coming out with the long-term growth measures for the industry in the budget, because they clearly said whatever they want to do for the mutual fund industry, whatever has already been done in the budget can be undone only in the next budget. In between they can't do it. We discussed one thing which you all were very keen to know about, what happened to Rajiv Gandhi scheme which the Government of India announced. They are ready to consider it for mutual fund industry, but since it has already been declared in the budget that it is to be direct equity, we will do that in the next equity. This is what they have indicated. They have not committed, but this is what they have indicated. But for all practical purposes, I will share with you, it's not possible for a small investor to go to the brokers, and brokers will also not find it attractive enough to go and market to smaller people. So that is one thing which is happening, and other taxation benefits are also coming in the way. And friends, but the body language was very clear. They want to do it. Even Mr. Sinha's statement which came 2-3 days back in the paper, those also are talking about the long-term growth measures in the industry. Now coming back to the topic, retail and positioning of fund for retail and corporates. I'll say the challenge for the industry, maybe for the retail or corporate, is going to the new investors. That's the biggest challenge. This is what we are seeing. When the number of investors, if we go to the data point, 3 years ago the active folios was 1 crore, 2 years ago was 1 crore, 1 year ago was 1 crore, in spite of so many SIPs happening. Even today, if you talk to the R&D, the scans or cars we put together, the total number of active investors remains 1 crore. So that is the challenge. We need to go to the new people and position our funds to the right kind of people. We are going, the same thing is being done by everybody. People don't know what is the benefit available to them. Post-tax return, as Lakshmi was sharing, the post-tax return in all the fixed income scheme is much better than I think maybe for retail or I'll share with you one live, but I'm talking about Bombay. One of the major clients which I got a lead from somebody and we went to him. He sold his unit for 105 crores. He got the money which he was looking for putting in mutual fund, in fixed deposit. When I talked to him, because money was being put in individual names, when I told that something like liquid fund is available, where he has to pay only 15% tax. So okay, why didn't any banker told me till date? And he has been dealing with all the banks, including State Bank of India and other private sector banks. Even in city like Bombay, there is a potential where people have not reached. So the reach is the problem. I think we need to position our fund to right kind of people. Right kind. We have to penetrate into the newer clients, not only to the smaller areas but in the bigger areas as well. Bigger towns as well, and see, especially tier 2 and tier 3 and tier 4, as Lakshmi was again talking about the figure of 60 lakh crores in fixed deposits. Just for your information, 62% of this money of 60 lakh crore is coming from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. The deposits are majorly into, and in mutual fund, 80% of the business is coming from major cities. That is the mismatch. Actually, we need to go to the smaller towns. We need to. I know that there's a acquisition cost which is involved, and the remuneration is not big enough to get money from tier 2 and tier 3. Again, regulator is making some changes where the remuneration for doing business in tier 2 and tier 3 cities will be better than that. I think we should be able to get good business. In fact, the other day, 3-4 days back, we had a meeting with Mr. Sanoor and MP. He shared that he went to one of the interior towns of Uttarakhand where one distributor is doing money market business of 4 crore rupees per year. And the total deposit of that city is only 25 or 30 crore bank deposits. And he individually is doing 4 crore rupees of business. And in today's remuneration, when even the ultra short term fund and other funds where you are getting good remuneration, the person is making 2 to 3 lakh rupees by doing only money market funds in the interior town. So the positioning of funds to the right kind of people. Today I am seeing one thing in all the interaction which is happening, people are not talking too much about the equity funds. But equity funds are the funds which we cannot really ignore. Actually, we have to do it. We have to do it in a very patterned manner. We have to do it through SIPs only. SIPs are going to be in such a scenario when a lot of allocation must go to equity, but it's not happening because of the sentiments. I think we need to push that. This has to go simultaneously, hand in hand. SIPs as well as debt funds, ultra short-term funds. Those are going to. If you want to bring more number of people to the industry, you have to go and acquire business in the debt category. And I personally feel, I don't know how much Sensex is going to be, Nifty is going to be 6,000 or 4,800 or whatever, but I personally feel if we put the right kind of strategies, this industry which is 7 lakh crores, within 1 year can definitely be 14 lakh crores. That is it.